18 सीजन हो गया है यार, अभी थोड़ा उनको खुशी मिलना चाहिए मेरे को लगता है।
See, if they win now, then there is no point of having IPL. There is something that you look forward to every season.
अरे ये अंबटी रेडू कहाँ से आ गया हमारी मीटिंग में? हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्पोर्ट्स रॉयल। वी आर बैक विद अनदर वीडियो। सो मेरी प्रोडिक्शन सही हो गई फिर से। पंजाब आज जीत गई मैच, और तुम दोनों ने बोला था लखनऊ जीतेगी, तो लखनऊ हार चुकी है। बट पंजाब
देख
किंग्स हैव
कुशाग्र, इसलिए
डेमोलिश्ड।
हम लोग सट्टेबाजी नहीं करते, तू सट्टेबाजी करते।
हाँ बट
That is why we
ड्रीम,
are not in it.
सी बट ड्रीम इलेवन पे मैं हमेशा, मतलब मेरी टीम कभी अच्छी परफॉर्म नहीं करती। जिस प्लेयर को मैं लेता हूँ हमेशा या तो 10 रन के नीचे आउट होता है, या तो बॉलर अगर है तो 40-50 रन के लिए पिट जाता है वो। तो
दैट साउंड
मेरा
लाइक अ यू
लक वहाँ काम
प्रॉब्लम।
नहीं करता।
दैट साउंड लाइक अ यू प्रॉब्लम।
हाँ, ओके, फेयर। Okay, but we'll start talking about the game now. So Lucknow didn't start well in the power play. They lost the three early wickets. Marsh was obviously dismissed for a golden duck, and Markram played a good hand. He was playing some good shots before he threw his wicket away. And Pant also could not get going. Pooran was looking good in the middle, but was outfoxed by Chahal. And Badoni tried to get the innings together in the end, but Punjab kept pulling things back at regular intervals, and they never allowed the batters to settle in. So
But
we'll talk about.
honestly, Badoni's wicket was also in the 18th over. It made no difference.
Huh,
Like
right.
he genuinely would have made no difference. It was I think by the 19th over, Samad realized he has to start hitting because he was trying to rotate the strike to give Badoni his half century. And by the
Hmm.
time he realized he's got to hit those big runs, वो ओवर ही खत्म हो गए। लाइक उसको लास्ट ओवर में मारना पड़ा और वो आउट हो गया उसी में। तो बदोनी played his part यार। I genuinely can't fault Badoni.
No,
See,
he
let's
played his
start
part,
from the
yes.
beginning. Let's start
Hmm.
from the beginning. See, you are observing a trend. Okay, if you
Hmm.
are looking at the last three games, the teams are trying too hard at the power play. They are going at it a little too hard, and they are not playing responsibly. Once you do that, you tend to lose a couple of wickets, and in this case, you lost three. In the last game, you saw Kolkata lose four. So you have to play sensibly in the power play so that you don't lose enough wickets and you score proper runs at a decent run rate at nines and tens. What happened in this case? They went at 39 for three at the end of six, and you were behind right from there. You were never in the game since that. Even though Badoni and Samad did their jobs, but at the start, if you lose three wickets and don't utilize the power play, you're always lacking behind.
So I want to understand from you, like, अभी जैसे प्रभ सिमरन आज खेला, I mean, what a start he's given to Punjab in the power play. So do you think Punjab would want him to bat in the same fashion, irrespective अगर वो out होता है नहीं होता है, to bat in this fashion so that it sets the tone for the players coming in at 4, 5, 6, Maxwell, Stoinis, and Shashank?
Honestly, it's very much from on a pitch to like a game to game perspective. Some games I think they'd want Prab to say pace the innings, which he still can't do. He's someone who's there for the swashbuckling sixes and getting out. Like today was an off, but he's one of those कि मतलब मैंने मार लिया मैं चला जाता हूँ मेरा हो गया so that the other players have a start to build the innings. So it really depends. But I think they've done a great job in picking Priyansh and Prab together so that Priyansh is your more temperamental batter, sticks around for a bit so that Prab can hit. Today he wasn't that effective, but he has shown those signs. So
हम्म।
ठीक है यार मतलब आज खेल लिया। Ekana's pitch has also seemed to have improved quite a bit from last year. So देखते हैं अभी अगली मैच में क्या है। कांट से कि नहीं इसी टेम्पलेट से खेलो बिकॉज वो अभी रहा ही नहीं आईपीएल का टेम्पलेट।
हम्म। राइट। श्रेयस अय्यर तो ऑब्वियसली काफी लाइक सेटल्ड लग रहा था, ऑलवेज लुक्ड एट ईज थ्रू आउट द चेज। एंड ऑल्सो नेहल वगैरह, जब व्हेन ही वॉकड इन ही वाज स्ट्रगलिंग टू टाइम द बॉल, ही वाज ट्राइंग टू हार्ड एट दैट टाइम, बट वंस ही फाउंड हिज रिदम, आई थिंक he just went all in.
You will have to move from aging players. If you will stick to the emotions, teams will go ahead.
MS धोनी।
एम एस धोनी ठीक है, मैं तो लेता हूँ ना, मैं क्रेडिट लेता हूँ।
बट यार एक तो सी आज की मैच में टू थिंग्स आई कुड नोट वाज वन, पंत इज गोइंग डाउन द एमएस रूट विदाउट हैविंग द एमएस आईक्यू ऑफ अ कैप्टन, where he blindly backs bowlers कि नहीं तुम करो मैं हूँ बट वो फर्क उसमें है कि गेम रीडिंग नहीं है उतना उसमें लाइक पंत कैन नॉट रीड थ्रू पंत कैन नॉट रीड थ्रू बैट्समैन ऑफ कोर्स आई एम गोइंग टू गिव हिम टाइम नॉट गोइंग टू से कि कल निकालो उसे but the two captaincy stints he's had, both stints, one thing I've noticed is he tries to emulate, say, Dhoni or कौन कीपर ये था कैप्टन आई फॉरगॉट someone from the overseas mostly गिली आई एम नॉट श्योर जो कि गेम रीड करके ऐसा बोलता था कि मतलब he knew where the batsman is going to hit and place the fielders correctly. He's trying to emulate, but it seems like he's doing a really bad job.
उसको क्या लग रहा है ना कि 27 करोड़ उसको सिर्फ कैप्टेंसी के लिए दिए हैं। वो बैटिंग आ रहा है, वो आ रहा है, 2-3 बॉल खेल रहा है, रैश शॉट खेल के आउट हो जा रहा है। सो आई थिंक ही नीड्स टू चेंज हिज अप्रोच।
Yeah, he needs to focus more on his batting and leave the captaincy to the leaders of the team. के कई बार if he leans on Marsh and Markram to help him out with the captaincy, he's not going to like like demote him from the position because he's going as baby. That's clear. तो कहीं ना कहीं तू कर ना लीन ऑन उन लोगों ने भी लाइक सेमीफाइनल तक तो खेला है मार्करम तो फाइनल तक जाके आए किसी वर्ल्ड कप के राइट T20 वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल पहुंच के आया एज कैप्टन तो कुछ तो पता होगा उसको
If you look at
यू
the
कॉन
batting lineup also, he is one of the important parts of the
हम्म
machine that
हम्म।
LSG is. अगर वो नहीं चलेगा, they will have a tough time easily. Speaking about the teams, we were not rating LSG and Punjab to a certain extent. We were thinking that there are gaps that could be exposed, but it all comes down to how the team plays, the synergy in the team, and obviously the form of the players. You saw Ravi Bishnoi bowled today. He went at what 43, 14 runs almost an over. I think he bowled only 3 overs.
हम्म
हम्म।
Bad retention, and he is not improving his game. Even the last season that he played, he went for runs, he was wicketless, and he doesn't seem to improve. He is obviously out of contention of the India setup, but even in this Lucknow setup, he is not really performing that great.
बिश्नोई बहुत रीडेबल है यार मतलब हम बैठे बैठे देख सकते हैं अगर उसको विकेट नहीं मिलती ऑफ साइड वाली बॉल डाल देता है
So we have another cracking contest coming up tomorrow, being played between the Royal Challengers Bangalore and Gujarat Titans at the Chinnaswamy. So RCB will be playing their first game at Chinnaswamy this season, and Mohammad Siraj will be back leading the pace attack at the Chinnaswamy, but this time around as opponent. So this is going to be one hell of a contest. What are you guys looking forward to the most?
सिराज बॉलिंग टू कोहली
The track
Rehan?
record of RCB is not that great at Chinnaswamy. The
ओ
two games
गाइस
that
बाय
they
द
have.
वे अरे कंटिन्यू मैं बाद में बोलता हूँ ये बहुत मेरे को अभी ट्विटर पे दिखा इसलिए मैं बोल रहा था सॉरी
So the thing is that the track record is bad. At the Chinnaswamy, I want to see how RCB bowling lines up at the
Hmm.
Chinnaswamy because they have heavily invested and planned for their bowling to do well. Do they do well at Chinnaswamy? Will they be able to get a win tomorrow? Is that is what I'll be looking at.
Yeah, Naman, you were saying something.
या आई वाज um I was just looking at Twitter. Apparently, this year's WPL RCB won two on the women's RCB team, won two on the trot away, and then they started the Chinnaswamy leg where they had 2-3 matches at Chinnaswamy, post which their entire campaign derailed. Same right now, RCB had two away wins, two emphatic away wins, and now they're starting the Chinnaswamy leg, and it's let's just see because this is just the mother of coincidences that's happening.
It,
कल
but I
पता
agree
चलेगा।
with Naman. It'll be the top order of, I believe, Gujarat versus the bowling of RCB. That could set up the game if they lose Shubman and Sai Sudarshan a little early. Then coming back into the game for Gujarat would be difficult. They would require one of them to play throughout, anchor the innings well, and score runs.
But do you guys feel Siraj has a point to prove now that he's been dropped from the ODI
हंड्रेड
setup?
परसेंट and
आरसीबी के लिए
import
तो आई विल नॉट से बिकॉज सी आरसीबी ने चहल को भी जाने दिया
Hmm.
all the good players they have let go. but India contention is more what will hurt him, and he
Hmm.
would want to make a statement. रोहित शर्मा को तो आउट किया उसने,
या
बट
अभी
स्टिल
न्यू बॉल के साथ थोड़ा खिलवाड़ करना है उसे बिकॉज ही वाज कॉल्ड अ न्यू बॉल बॉलर. तो देखते हैं. बट अदरवाइज ऑल्सो आई फील दैट कहीं ना कहीं आरसीबी लाइक गोइंग टू द चिन्नस्वामी विथ कृणाल पांड्या एज योर फ्रंट लाइन स्पिनर इज कंसर्निंग. क्योंकि like the
Hmm.
last time they took a lot of quick wickets at the Chinna was against MI where they took 6 wickets with that dude getting four. I forgot the name. Spinner, West Indian spinner.
सैमुअल बद्री,
हाँ, Badri.
he had taken
Right,
a
he
hat
took
trick.
hat trick. Yeah, right. So sometimes the Chinna pitch is quite helpful to spinners and your fast bowlers are less effective. So at that moment, you can't have Krunal Pandya. See, Krunal Pandya is a wily bowler. He's very smart. बट एट द सेम टाइम जब घास की पट्टी आती है तो वो नहीं खेल पाता. लाइक घास की पट्टी क्या, सॉरी, रेत की पट्टी आती है तो थोड़ा ही इज नॉट एज लाइक वो क्या करेगा, वो फ्लोटर डालता है यार. वो उसका गलती भी नहीं है. ही नोज हाउ टू से प्ले अराउंड, ही नोज हाउ टू प्ले विद अ बैट्समैन, बट इन द एंड कहीं ना कहीं तो ही विल गेट आउटफॉक्स्ड. तो वो थोड़ा मुझे डर है कि अगर चिन्ना की पिच स्पिनर फ्रेंडली हुई तो उनके पास कोई ऐसा फ्रंटलाइन स्पिनर नहीं है. लाइक करण शर्मा ऑन द बेंच इज ऑल्सो नॉट नॉट गोइंग टू इंस्पायर कॉन्फिडेंस. तो फिर बचा सुयश जो कि बच्चा है अभी भी. लाइक आई ही हैज हिज टाइम टू ग्रो. तो वो प्रॉब्लम है. बट अदरवाइज दैट पेस अटैक हैज ऑलरेडी डन अ गुड जॉब. अदरवाइज हेजलवुड है, भुवी है, उन्होंने दूसरी जगह पे अच्छा काम किया है. तो आई होप बैटिंग तो फ्लावर बोला है कि आई एम गोइंग टू गिव पर्टिकुलर लॉन्ग रोप, लेट हिम प्ले हिज गेम. तो लेट हिम प्ले हिज
Just
गेम.
like just like Mumbai Indians have picked a squad for Wankhede,
Hmm.
RCB have picked a squad for Chinnaswamy. See the batting in Livingston, Tim David. They
Hmm.
are proper, I would say players that will
T20 batters.
do well. Yes, who will do well at Chinnaswamy. Short pitches, ball comes onto the bat, even Phil Salt for that matter. So these three players, they'll extremely be helpful on that wicket.
So it'll be interesting to see how Bhuvi bowls in the power play because I just read a matchup where he has dismissed, I think, Butler 7 times and गिल को उसने 3 बार आउट किया है आईपीएल में आई थिंक सिर्फ. तो यू राइटली सेड कि इट इज द गुजरात के टॉप ऑर्डर अगेंस्ट द आरसीबी बॉलर्स. सो या इंटरेस्टिंग.
या आई इट इज नाउ टाइम फॉर लिविंगस्टन आई फील कि बिकॉज बाकी सब बैट्समैन ने थोड़ा बहुत तो खेल लिया है. You've seen David smash. You've seen Padikkal accelerate, which is something I never said thought I'd say. You've seen पाटीदार भी पाटीदार. कोहली अपना काम कर रहा है ढंग से, आराम आराम से खेल रहा है. He knows what to do, what not to do. And Phil Salt has like repaid the faith in him. बच्चा कौन तो लिविंग. I think the Chennai pitch is somewhere where he could shine. Like he could do a job. Considering उसको big hitting जमता है, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि he's not a big hitter. He knows how to hit big. He knows how to hit fast. Let's hope he plays well because I feel somewhere or the other he's a vital cog in the mix. Considering Tim David can't build an innings, he's one of those who can finish an innings, come for the last 3 overs, smash and leave. So कहीं ना कहीं I feel he do like it's time for Livingston.
So who are your players to watch out for?
Phil Salt
Priyank.
for me.
Phil
From
Salt and
RCB, it is
Livingston.
Phil Salt. No,
हाँ.
from RCB, it is Phil Salt only. From Gujarat, I just think that Shubman could have a good day. And Siraj also. I'll pick Siraj.
नमन गुजरात से कौन?
गुजरात से शाहरुख खान.
हाँ नाइस. नाइस पिक.
वो थोड़ा मेरे
आरसीबी
को ऐसा
से.
पोलार्ड वाइब देता है कभी कभी. You
हाँ.
tell me your Gujarat pick before I move on to RCB.
Kushagra, your predictions are correct. 3 मैचेस से तेरा ही हो रहा है तो तू कुछ बता.
सो
हम्म.
बैंगलोर से मैं किसको पिक कर सकता हूँ? मेरे को
फेवरेट
टिम
को पिक
डेविड को
कर.
लेना है. मेरे को टिम डेविड को लेना है
विराट.
बट वो बहुत लेट आता है.
तू विराट को
I'll
लेगा.
go with Phil Salt. I'll go with Phil Salt from
Okay.
RCB and गुजरात से बटलर. Butler, I think, will have a good game tomorrow. And
फॉर मी
which team?
आई आरसीबी के लिए, मेरा आरसीबी बचा यार, ऐसा मत करो।
You said
आरसीबी
Livingston,
के
ना?
लिए, नहीं नहीं भाई, मैं तो ऐसे ही बोला कि लिविंगस्टन की, मेरे लिए वो
अच्छा
वॉच आउट
अच्छा।
फॉर क्लब नहीं है। मैं बस बोला कि उसको करना चाहिए कुछ ना कुछ तो।
Okay.
बट एज सच माय प्लेयर टू वॉच आउट इज देवदत्त।
Livingston.
Interesting.
लास्ट मैच के हिसाब से बोल रहा हूँ मैं, वेरी वेरी टू मच रिसेंसी बाय। बट या ही डन अ गुड जॉब लास्ट मैच, अभी थोड़ा कैरी फॉरवर्ड करे तो बढ़िया है।
Which team do you think has the edge?
Just because I
What's the,
want to see the RCBNs to settle their nerves, I want Gujarat to win.
आई थिंक आरसीबी।
मुझे भी आरसीबी लग रहा है. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. We'll be back with another video tomorrow. Until then, keep showing some love. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Bye. Good night.